Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Acorns easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Acorns app on your device. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. Tap on the Invest option located at the bottom of the screen. Select Portfolio to view your investment options. Review the suggested portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Once you choose a portfolio, tap on it to get more details. Click on Start Investing to initiate your investment process. Set up your recurring investment amount that fits your budget. Decide how frequently you want to invest, such as weekly or monthly. Confirm your funding source, which can be linked to your bank account. Once everything is set, finalize your investment. Now, go back to the home screen and select Round UPS. Enable Round UPS to automatically invest spare change from everyday purchases. Link your debit or credit cards to track your spending for Round UPS. Monitor your transactions to see how much you accumulate. Check your investment performance regularly under the Invest tab. Adjust your budget as needed to ensure you are comfortably investing. Explore the Found Money feature to earn additional investments from partnering brands. Utilize the retirement option if you want to save for future goals. Review your progress monthly to stay on track with your financial objectives. And that's how to budget effectively with Acorns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.